Number 1. 1985 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,900, shows around 120,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a timeless white exterior complemented by a clean black interior, offering a classic yet rugged appearance. The Sierra has been owned for about a year and has proven to be a great running and driving vehicle with no major issues during that time. The air conditioning system could benefit from a recharge, but overall, it remains a dependable and well-performing truck. A newer 350 engine and transmission were installed by the previous owner, providing improved power and smooth shifting. Known for its durability and sturdy build, this truck also comes with a clean North Carolina title, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking for a strong, well-kept classic pickup ready for everyday use or weekend drives. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,200. It has approximately 75,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, this truck runs and drives exceptionally well with no mechanical issues. Everything functions properly, including the air conditioning system. Although the odometer stopped working about a year and a half ago, it currently shows 75,000 miles. The truck is remarkably clean both inside and out for its age, making it a great candidate for restoration or simply to be enjoyed as it is. It holds a salvage title, believed to be from a stolen recovery incident years ago, but the title is in hand, and the registration tag is valid until next year. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,950. It features a 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, offering solid performance and reliability on or off the road. It runs on gasoline and holds a clean title, with its registration currently up to date. Recently, it successfully passed a smog check and has undergone scheduled maintenance, including regular oil changes. About 1,000 miles ago, the transmission was replaced with a brand new unit, and the transfer case has been resealed, both with paperwork available to verify the work. The truck is fitted with newer Cooper tires, providing a smooth and reliable ride. All its features are in working order, including the air conditioning and heater, which function excellently. The only notable drawback is some paint fading in certain areas, which is common for a vehicle of its vintage. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1988 GMC Sierra 3500, price $3,995, solid truck that has accumulated around 250,000 miles over its lifetime. It's equipped with a big block 454 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and reliable power that's characteristic of classic GMC heavy-duty models. The truck sports a sleek black exterior that pairs nicely with a clean silver interior, both showing care and attention from previous ownership. The seller notes that the vehicle runs and drives well, and since it's still being used occasionally, the mileage is gradually increasing. It includes lien papers, and the sale can be finalized conveniently at the DMV, allowing the buyer to register the vehicle directly under their name for a smooth transfer process. Overall, the Sierra 3500 stands out as a dependable and clean full-size truck with classic styling and proven performance. Number 5. 1988 Toyota pickup, price $10,000. The truck has been fully restored to its original OEM finish and is completely rust-free. Power comes from a rebuilt 22 or carbureted engine, ensuring reliable performance. During the restoration, numerous new components were installed, including brakes, rotors, drums, shoes, a brake booster, master cylinder, fuel tank, and fuel pump. Additional upgrades include a new windshield, clutch, battery, radiator fan, tires, headlights, LED bedliner, stereo system, speakers, and exhaust. Despite being a classic 1988 model, the truck is in excellent condition both mechanically and cosmetically. It offers a smooth driving experience and is ideal for cruising around town. Notably, this model was not originally equipped with air conditioning from the dealership. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, powered by a dependable V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With just 109,000 original miles, this one-owner local truck has been carefully maintained and continues to run and drive smoothly. It features a striking burgundy exterior complemented by a matching burgundy cloth interior that remains in very nice condition. Inside, it offers power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and power seats for added convenience, along with cold air conditioning for a comfortable ride in any weather. The exterior shows a decent body and paint finish, with only a few minor areas that might need attention, while the frame remains solid and in good shape. This Chevrolet 1500 also comes fitted with newer alloy wheels and has been recently serviced, ensuring it's ready for the road. It includes all original books and manuals, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. Number 7. 1992 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,999. It has an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine, delivering dependable performance both on and off the road. The truck has 120,000 original miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this Silverado is equipped with several recent upgrades, including a new headliner, new 17-inch LTZ wheels fitted with CO2 tires, and new brakes. It also features a custom 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust that enhances both sound and performance. Additional highlights include a rear canopy with keys, a tow package, an alarm system with keyless entry, and a recent tune-up to ensure smooth operation. As for minor quirks, the radio currently does not work, the windshield wipers need attention, likely a switch or fuse issue, and there are areas of clear coat and paint fading consistent with its age. Number 8. 1986 Jeep Comanche, price $4,000. The truck is a well-maintained classic pickup that has traveled approximately 115,000 miles. It runs on a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a reliable and engaging driving experience. This particular model features a bright red exterior with some clear coat peeling on the hood, while the interior remains in good overall condition. The truck operates on a 2WD drivetrain and comes with a clean title, ensuring a straightforward ownership transfer. A new battery has been recently installed, and although it does not include power steering, it maintains the rugged simplicity and mechanical charm that make older Jeeps so appealing to enthusiasts. Number 9. 1989 GMC S15, price $5,700, showing 149,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with a strong 4.3L engine and runs exceptionally well. It has recently received a fresh oil change, along with new spark plugs and wires, a new distributor, AC clutch, fuel pump, AC relay, fuel pump relay, and oil pressure sensor, ensuring reliable performance and smooth operation. The truck's interior is in remarkable condition for its age, featuring an almost perfect headliner, a clean and well-preserved cabin, and a dashboard free from cracks. Overall, this GMC S15 is a well-maintained classic pickup that blends dependable mechanics with a clean, original interior, a great example of durability and care over the years. Number 10. 1977 Ford F-250, price $9,000, shows 96,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a manual transmission and a clean white exterior that highlights its timeless, rugged character. Powering the truck is a dependable 351M engine paired with an NP435 4-speed gearbox, delivering strong low-end torque and classic manual control suited for both work and recreation. Included with the vehicle is an additional 460 big block Ford engine and a C6 automatic transmission, offering an excellent opportunity for future performance upgrades or customization. The truck holds a clean title, indicating it has been responsibly owned and maintained.